And here with the unboxing of a very interesting and very leaked phone. Is the Xiaomi Poco phone F1. It's an interesting handset because it's got to be one of the most affordable, if not the most affordable, Snapdragon 845 processor handset. It's priced at only $489. It was leaked first from Romania on a local retailer, and now we have it. It's been leaking for weeks. It received Antutu benchmarks. It has an interesting combo of black and also yellow, which is a combo you will find in the latest videos from the band 21 Pilots and their bandidos. Anyway, not connected. This is the Xiaomi Poco phone F1, and inside the box we have this. This is a flexible cover protection case. So this is the case for the phone, flexible with the cutout for the back camera. Now this is the phone itself, the Xiaomi Poco phone F1, unboxed here at gsnhome.com. We got here the dual back camera, fingerprint scanner, and a plastic polycarbonate shell on the back. It feels like it's the kind you would want to remove, although not sure if it's removable or not, because we do have a metal key inside to access the slots. We also have a notch here at the top side of the screen. We'll get back to it later. Now inside the box, other things as well. We got this hefty charger here. Well, not that hefty, but still pretty cool. 5 volts, 2 amperes, going up to 9 volts or even 12 volts, and 2 amperes or 1.5 amperes. And then even further, there's this USB Type-C cable, and of course a small metal key used to access the slots. Now I don't see any manual here, unless it's here, but nope. Anyways, we have a test version, so it may not be here. So this is the phone that everybody's talking about, the Xiaomi Poco phone F1. It's supposed to be the start of a new series. The Poco phone series will include more models in the future. It may have a different brand in different parts of the world, because Poco in Spanish and Italian means little, and maybe it doesn't feel like an okay branding in those countries. Anyways, the screen that we see here is a 5.99 incher IPS LCD Full HD Plus, and we do have a notch. We have MIUI 9 as you just saw before. I'm going to opt for English, so I'm going to choose my region. Lots of countries in this big old world. We go further, skip, agree to terms. Now the specs here are pretty straightforward. We got Snapdragon 845, 6 GB of RAM, even though I've heard that there's also an 8 GB RAM version out there. 120 GB of storage, which sounds crazy to me, but it's excellent. We also have a micro SD card slot and a 4000 mAh battery, so the specs are actually quite impressive. Okay, even more stuff. We even have a special Poco theme to set this phone apart from other handsets out there. Now aside from the 4000 mAh battery, there's something interesting here. Aside from the 20 megapixel front camera, we have a special infrared sensor for the face scanning. And at the back of the phone, let's turn there, there's the fingerprint scanner, there's a dual LED flash, and the dual main camera. It's a combo that's pretty modest, 12 and 5 megapixels working together. MIUI 9, quick charge 3.0, and some great Antutu scores judging by the leaks. Some of the leaks showed us results which were actually better than the Galaxy S9 Plus, so that's no small feat. Okay, well, sailing around the MIUI 9, which feels pretty clean and pretty well organized. We also have the Google Suite, so no worries about that. Other than that, I think it's time to have a look at the camera UI, the camera app. Pretty straightforward, and apparently with some AI, which is always welcome nowadays. Okay, we got it. This is the Poco phone, and this is the AI feature, the AI camera. We got an HDR option, and we got more options here like straighten, tilt shift, timer, beautify, group selfie, and a bunch of settings, including a pocket mode for some reason, focus and shoot, QR codes, mirror front camera. Of course, there is a portrait mode because we do have two cameras, and that's the thing they're used for. Video, let's see what the video is up to. Go here, we got slow motion, and we can go up to 4K, of course, as expected. Video encoder and also video high frame rate up to 240 frames per second, and also fingerprint shutter. This is it in a nutshell. This is our first contact with the Xiaomi Pocophone F1, leaked a bunch of times from a Romanian retailer, priced below $500, which for a Snapdragon 845 CPU phone is just crazy. And also it's the start of a new series. I'm going to be back with a full review very soon. Bye bye.